Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and welcome to my new series on how to make Zodiac rings. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe for lots more DIY wire art and jewelry making videos. So what you're going to need for this project is a ring cone, your jewelry pliers, and for this one I'm going to use 20 gauge a copper wire that I bought at Michael's, but you can use a slightly thicker gauge, 18 gauge, if your wire is kind of soft, you want it to be sturdy enough. So for the Aries ring, you can end it like I did the other rings, make it adjustable, or this one I actually looped the two bands on top of each other and twisted them on either side to make like a double band type of thing. So what you're going to do for this is you're going to go ahead and grab your piece of wire, and as always I'm using the 20 gauge, but you can use a thicker, slightly thicker wire if you want. And so basically you want to start by bending it right in half, and if you need to you can get your flat pliers and just squish that little angle a little bit more. And then I'm going to get my thicker round pliers and go ahead and just hold it and bend it on either side of the round pliers like that. And then what you can do is you could just even separate it a little bit if you want. And then you want this to kind of go out a little bit, so at that point we're just going to just bend this kind of, it's very stylized, this one. So we're going to bend it like that, and then bend that one out like that. So that's the basic shape. This is probably one of the easier ones. And then we're going to bend these around to the back. And because it's a very simple design and the wire is a little thin, so I think I will go ahead and just make this one not adjustable. I'm going to hold it with my thumbnail, push the end up, and take this end and bring it around like that. And then, like we did in the other one, we're just going to bend that wire down and clip the ends here, and the other end. You want to clip them so they sit flush on there, and with the flat pliers we push them that and push that one in a little bit too, so there's no little pokey ends. Stick them on the ring form. Whoop, upside down. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more DIY wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art creations, be sure to join my Facebook group, the Wire Art and Jewelry Makers Club, where we share photos of our work and get inspired by members of the group. And if you'd like to check out our Etsy shop, we make all kinds of custom wire art and jewelry on Etsy. And also, if you'd like to learn more about wire art and jewelry making, I have an online course where I teach all kinds of cool techniques, including how to make your own templates, how to make flattened bookmarks, and how to make really cool spiral beads. Thanks for watching.